Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to sign up for a Netflix for free. It's 30 days free trial. Just keep watching. Just go to Google and type Netflix free trial. Then click here. Then click here. Try 30 days free. And then you choose your plan. Click here. See the plans. And then just you can choose the plans. They have 3 plans: basic, standard and premium. Just you can read here and you choose which one is the best for you. Okay, and then click continue. And then click continue. Here you create a password to start your free month. Type in your email and password. Continue. And here you can choose the payment. Here I can cancel before 9th, no, 20th of September and not be charged. That means for 30 days free trial. And they will email me 3 days before. No commitments, cancel anytime. Then you can choose your payment, debit or credit card, PayPal, gift code Netflix. Okay, for example, if I choose credit or debit card, then just you need to fill out the form. And then you click start membership. This is what you need to do. I hope that this video is helpful. If the video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.